If you're ready to upgrade your stock seat to something that can make your Indian as comfortable as it is stylish, then it's time for the Saddlemen Roadsofa. This refined, unique split cushion design offers legendary long-distance comfort and control. The easy-to-install and easy-to-enjoy option will immediately improve your next ride. This seat has been constructed with Saddlemen's proprietary Gelcore Technology and features a generous amount of saddle gel in the front for the rider and rear section for the passenger's maximum comfort. Scientifically engineered and proven to increase the amount of time you're able to ride on your motorcycle, the saddle gel conforms to all body shapes, sizes, and contours to reduce pressure points and eliminate those dreaded hot spots. Saddle gel's proprietary process has been shown to reduce engine vibration by up to 50% and direct road impacts by up to 92%, allowing you to ride further and more comfortably than you could with a traditional foam seat. The Roadsofa refined split cushion design separates the seat surface from the lumbar support, reducing tailbone and back pressure. The flat portion permits the rider to sink into and comfortably float on the saddle gel seat, while the lumbar rest provides support unaffected by the compression caused by the rider settled into position. The seat's tall lumbar support and wide driver saddle supports the back and legs for superior comfort, while the streamlined nose improves the rider's reach to the ground. All of the seating technology is neatly wrapped in two designs. The LS version, which stands for lattice stitch, offering its soft, ventilated leather, providing a luxurious look and ride with an optional 12 unique stitching colors to choose from, or the PT version, which stands for pillow top, which offers the plush, conventional pillow design, allowing comfort mile after mile. And don't forget to equip your bike with the matching adjustable driver's backrest and trunk pad, which is available in both LS and PT styles. Saddlemen also offers heated options with independent temperature controls for the passenger and driver. Designed and made in the USA, these products come with easy-to-install instructions, and your comfort starts at around the $580 mark. If you want to learn more, simply call, email, or direct message us, and one of our friendly and knowledgeable product specialists will assist you in selecting the perfect Saddlemen luggage for your next ride. 800-397-7709 or sales@saddlemen.com.